Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Web3 Frontier token. Ticker symbol is W3F. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, November 22nd. We're going to go over the information on the Web3 Frontier token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Web3 Frontier token. So ticker symbol, like I said, is W3F. Now this token is being listed here November 22nd at 8 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search W3F, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So web3frontier.org is their official webpage. Over there you can find an 11-page white paper with all the info on here. So Web3 Frontier is expanding the limits of Web3 social media. So Web3 Frontier is a fantastic Web3 social network that allows creators to seamlessly integrate crypto assets into their social applications, giving users the power to truly own their digital identity, content, and interactions. The early internet aimed to provide free information exchange without being controlled by one company or platform. Web 1.0 was read-only and allowed users to search for information. Web 2 evolved the internet from read-only to read-write, allowing users to contribute content and communicate with others. However, a small group of profit-driven corporations has gained control over how people communicate, create content, share information, and host their online identities and social data. Despite social networking enabling unprecedented levels of communication, the ecosystem is plagued by mistrust, inequitable participation, and restricted digital experience. Today, the pervasive centralization of social connection data results in inefficiencies and inequities which hinder the internet's early promise of connecting the world. At Web3 Frontier, our team is pioneering a new Web3 social primitive to give users greater control over their digital identities and enable creators to create innovative bonding connections with users. By leveraging blockchain technology, we provide users with ownership over their identity, content, and social data, resulting in deeper interactive activities. In Web3, private keys, seed phrases, and cryptographic signatures are used for authentication instead of usernames and passwords in Web 2. However, this has proved to be a challenge for many users. So to address this, Web3 Frontier has created a non-custodial smart contract wallet that provides a great social experience without the need to worry about seeds or gas. So the core pros, social plus crypto equals made easy. We are proud to present a friendly social media platform that is powered by cutting-edge crypto infrastructure. The platform is designed to provide a seamless experience for users, allowing them to participate in walletless airdrops, tipping, gating, and many other exciting features. With our platform, you can easily connect with your friends, family, and other users from around the world, share your thoughts, ideas, experiences, engage in meaningful conversations. Our crypto infrastructure ensures that your transactions are secure, transparent, and fast, allowing you to enjoy all the benefits of blockchain technology without the hassles. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a newcomer to the space, the platform has something for everyone. Our social platform is designed to be guided by our users, giving them power to build a decentralized autonomous organization and self-governed communities with ease. Our platform is not just an ordinary social media platform, but a powerful tool that empowers you to create, collaborate, and share ideas. By utilizing advanced features such as voting systems, smart contracts, and blockchain, our platform ensures transparency and fairness to our community. So creating great content is a fantastic way to get noticed and establish yourself as an expert in the field. By collaborating with others, you can take your ideas to new levels, and you can also have the opportunity to earn crypto rewards. So for users, Web3 Frontier makes crypto as friendly as social media, access to the bleeding edge of Web3 with the familiarity and ease of Web2. So you can discover portals. A great way to get involved in the world of Web3 is to participate in unique online communities. And then they have the Lazy Wallet Web3. It says, our platform provides convenience of sending and receiving tokens without the need for a traditional wallet. It's a hassle-free experience that allows you to focus on what really matters. It's raining tokens. Creating high-quality content is essential to maximize your potential earnings from NFTs and fungible tokens received through airdrops. So they're going to offer airdrops. You can earn by also, becoming a creator. There's NFT gating and DAOs, which I mentioned earlier, the decentralized autonomous organizations. Now, so basically the utilities for this project is the portals, profiles, and feeds, the airdrops, NFT gating, exclusive access content in NFT gated portals, tips, you can receive tips, DAOs and governance, NFT profile pics and galleries. And that's basically about it. Now the tokenomics, basically how the token is split up, there's 100 million tokens. 20% goes to community operations, 10% core development, 10% early contributors, 20% ecological construction, and 40% community treasury. And this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know what you guys think about the Web3 Frontier token down there in the comment section. Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this token will be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.